Before I start the video, I want to let you guys know that this video is being recorded with this awesome mic from company named Maono. So check the link in the description down below to know more about this microphone and to get yours. Now let's start the So this is the new iPhone 14 Pro. The unboxing experience is similar to the other iPhones. In the box, we got the phone itself, guided notes, USB Type-C to Lightning cable, and no SIM ejector tool. You can see we got the new pill-shaped cutout on the screen, which Apple calls it dynamic island. So this is good overall. But if you put the screen protector on, it will look bad. I bought this screen protector from Amazon, and you can see literally the cutout, which makes the phone kind of ugly in my opinion. Let's talk about the SIM. The new iPhone 14 Pro doesn't have an actual physical SIM in the phone. That's why they're not coming with a SIM ejector anymore. We're getting old now and we can move forward with it. So yeah, I like this feature. All you need to do when you start your phone is put your zip code down below and it will show you the SIM number that you got it from. I don't know how it works with unlocked version, so I got it from AT&T. So that's how it worked for me. I just put my zip code number and my phone number come up. So it's a pretty good thing to have in 2022. Other than that, the whole entire thing is similar. The camera is kind of different. I will do a camera comparison in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys check out this awesome mic in the link in the description down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.